Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 42nd SQL question from Leetcode top 50 SQL interview questions. What we have to do is we have a list of policy holders and then their investment in 2015 and their total investment in 2015, total investment 2016. So all we have to do is find out the total investment made by policy holders in 2016. So this is the simple high level problem. Plus they have given two criteria. So criteria one is those policyholders who we have to find the sum for this. Plus, so the criteria is the policyholders should have the same value uh, in 2015. They must have invested with the same value. What exactly meaning by that is here if you see this policyholder one, he invested in, this is talking about in 2015 they should have the same value. They must have invested in the same value. So here policyholder one, whose in total investment is 10, and if you see here there are basically we should look for all the policyholders who have the same investment in 2015. So there are three policyholders. They have the same investment made 1, 3, and 4. They have the same. They made the same investment in 2015. So what you have to do is for all of these users, we have to take the sum, their sum in 2016. So which is 10, 30, and 40. This is the total investment they made in 2016. Who also made in 2015, but their value were same. That is what the first condition is. Have the same in 2000 total investment 2015 values as one or two more, one or more other policyholders. This is the first condition. The second criteria is they should not be located in same city. So any other policyholders. So which means is, see, in the first conditions gives policy holder policy ID 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 4, right? This gives the first criteria, helps us in getting for 1, 3, and 4. Second criteria, if you see here, the 3 is having the same city as 2. Although 2 is not part of the first criteria, but still because of the same city, so we have to, it says are not located in the same city as any other policyholders, which means we should reject this, and we should because this policy ID holder located in the same city of this policyholder. So that's the reason we should not consider 3. So now we left with only 2, with 1 and 4, whose sum is 45. That's what the output is, and they are given the explanation as is. So let's break down the problem into same way. Let's first solve for this, and then let's solve for this. So what I'll do is, because it's the same table, I use some sort of a self join concept. So joining the same table. So what I'll do is I'll put this in 3 tables, right? This into 3 tables. So let me comment this. Now what I'll do is I'll just select all the values, select star from so here insurance. So I'll say I1, okay. Okay, okay, I'll say I, okay. So let's select star, sorry, all right. Now I'll get all the values, yeah, which is what that is what expected. Now what I have to do is, now see, I have to look for here. First clause is, what is the first clause? If you see here, 2015, the investment which are made, basically what I'll do is I'll join. So here basically I have to do a self join. So I'll look for, select start from this, where total investment made in 2015 from this table 2015, where 2000 in, I have to select. What I'll do is I'll just select total investment made in 2015. I'll create another table. So this I'll join with this from same table. I'll keep this as an insurance, where I'll choose all the insurances which are made in 2015. I'll try to look for that value in this. So what exactly look for in this value is, so here I'll get 10, I'll get 3 values. When for this record, it tries to match all 3 records, 1, 3, 1, 3 and 4, which policy ID is this. So I'll try to look for 2015, I'm trying to look in this table. However, I don't want to map these IDs. So here this should be not equal to this. Basically, I should look for this, this and this. That's all, because these are the values which we need. So where eyes A, eyes PID not equal to just PID. So which is this insurance PID. So this table PID should not be equal to this PID. So which means the first record, basically when I try to join, so there will be multiple records, right? When I try to join, you will get for this record you will get all the values. Although this is the same record, right? We don't need same record. So we need only the records which are matching based on this T values, not based on the PIDs. So here total investment made in 2015, we need to match based on that. So that's the reason I select 2015 from this table. I look for 2015 investment in this table. So for 10, I'll get 10. So I should not take that because both are same. For 10, I will get this 10 and let me see what all things I get. I'll copy this. After joining this, I'll show you also the output. After joining this, I will get these values. For 10, for the record 0, I am at the record 0. This is, I am looking here in this table, right? From here, this is I's PID. So which is from the outer table. I try to look for this. So I'll get 10. For 10, I'll get 10. However, the second clause is the PID of this should not be equal to PID of this. So this will not come into picture. Now the next is for 10, the same record. It cross matches all the values, right? For the same record, I'll check this. I'll get this output. Yes, this PID is 1 and this PID is 3, so it will not match. So of course it will consider this output. So this is the first record I'll get. Now for 10, again I get another record which is matching. For the same 10, I'll get this record getting matching. So I'll take this as a second value. So the first record is done. Now I'm basically trying to join this table with this table, right? That's what I'm trying to do here. So the next record comes 20. I'm actually looking for only this table, only this column, because I'm looking for that column here itself. I'm not joining any other. I'm looking for that column. 20. I'll try to search. Is there any match for 20? Yes, there is a match for 20. I'll come here. However, both are equal. So both are this PID and this PID. Both are equal. So it will not consider. Okay. Next record 10. It will come here 10. It will look for the 10. Yes, 10 is here and 10 is also here. 10 is also here because it is for every record here. It goes and scan every record here. For every record, for the first this record, it goes and scans every record here. So 10, yes, it is there. So 10 is there. Is this equal? Is this PID equal to this PID? No, it is not equal to. Then consider is. So for the first time it did not consider. And next time it considers it. So because it's a first, I'll keep this as a first. So and the next is 10. 10 there is a match here. For 10 and 20 don't match, ignore it. For 10 there is a match here. However, there is no match with PID here. That is what I have written here. PID of this should not be equal to PID of this. PID is this and PID is this, so it should not match. Next is 10 again. So 10 is this, matching this. So sorry, I'm reading from here, right? 10 is here, which is matching here, which is already there. So I don't no need to worry. So here again 10 will come here, 10 to 10. Yes, I already captured that, no need to worry. Here 20 will not come, this is already been captured. Now this will not be considered because both are same. So both are same. So all three values are there. That's how we get the output. So this is on the half of the problem solved. So I mean, if you break down and understand it, you will understand what I'm trying to say. So you will see select. Okay, there is something wrong here. Okay, I'll have to comment this. This is a very interesting problem. Whether it's a medium. What's the error? Let me delete this. So okay, all right. So let's see what we get. Please practice the same way what I'm doing. Yeah, we are getting the same values 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. All right. I hope you are good so far. So this is half of the problem solved. Now what we have to do is we have to and also we have to do is we have to look for the should not be located in the same city in any other with any other placeholder, which means lat long here. So what I'll do is I'll try to join this table with another table, which is this table. So what I'll do is I'll delete this. I hope you get it. Basically, from here, I have to remove this user. The output what I need is 1 and 4. I have to remove this user because this user has another user which is this user. So that's the reason it will be removed. It is matching the first criteria, but it will not be matching the second criteria because they are not having. We should not have a lat long. So what I'll do is I'll try to look for similar thing what I'm doing here, and what I'll do is from this I is lat long, I dot lat comma I dot long, here not in, because we don't want we want to we don't want any users who are part of that user. So let's see what we get. Select lat comma lon from same table. Okay, where again I use the same condition. This one, it should not be matching because that is what the objective is. So what I'll do is I'll comment this for a while. For a while, I'll just simply comment this. So let's see what we get from here. This will give you the second part of the problem. All right. So okay, there are multiple ways here. Okay. I hope you are trying to get it. This is little a tricky problem. Keep making mistakes. Where this n. All right. Okay. All right. So yes, if you see here, we don't need any users. Not in. So basically, the here we are trying to look for the. So here, if you see here, the any user who is not in this is what we will remove from the second part. Please, the way I did the debugging, right? Please do the same thing the way I showed you this user, these three things. Please do the same thing, and then basically try to debug it. So here you get only two values. From here you are getting only two values, right? So that's what it will give you. So that's what we need. We basically need to remove these two. We basically need to remove these two from this because they are in the same city. They're not in. That's what we are trying to say. Not in the users who are not part of the second table, lat longs which are not part of the second table. So that's so and their user ID should not be PID should not be equal to. So please debug, understand what I'm trying to say, and then do it so that you understand. I will not explain again because it already taken a lot of time. I hope you understand. Please do row by row. So this will go and check this record, lat long of this record will go and check here, and this should not be equal to this. That's what it happens. It will check for every record. It will not consider the first record. So not in, we have to consider not in. So that's what two conditions are there. So we check the in condition. You have to check the not in condition. Please do, and let me know if it is easy to understand in the comment section. Because we need these two conditions to be true. The first condition is this, and I'll this is the first condition, and this is the second condition. So this is the first condition, this is the second condition. That's all. So let's see what we get. All right. So what we have to do is, yeah, I think we got two results, 1 and 3. So all we have to do is we just have to take a sum of total investment made in 2016 as. So what they are asking us, total as, okay, this is what they need. Okay, let's submit. All right, this got accepted. Let's submit. Let's submit. Okay, it's wrong answer. Okay, this is my output. This is expected output. Okay, so they are asking us to round. Okay, no problem. I'll just do a round of 2. Okay, all right. Let's submit now. Got accepted. That's all. I hope you understand. Please try to solve the second part of the problem, debug it, and let me know what you understand in the comment section. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.